You see these plans right here? They may look familiar if I get this out of the way and show you this Lego set. Oh, that totally failed. But right here, this one, you can see it from the bottom kind of. But this is the plan set for my childhood home. My parents had it custom built and raised us 6 kids in it. And so I wanted to make a Lego set of it because my parents sold everything, sold it, and moved to Hawaii when the last kid moved out. And my dad and I always bonded over Lego. So I wanted to make him a memento of the house out of Lego. Um, yeah, just to commemorate really the childhood my parents gave me in this house. So um, let's see. We're on the stage now. This is day 70. I've been spending 20 minutes every day. I started my timer. That's what this is up here. 20 minutes a day working on this set. The set's built, and now we're just trying to order it, but it is so expensive. So I've been trying to bring down the cost thanks to some comments from people. It's from my comment section. So shout out comment section. And we've got the pieces all in here. We had tried uploading them yesterday to see what it cost, and we ran into a couple things. One, we still have some unavailable pieces, which surprised me because over the last couple days we've been going through this long list of unavailable pieces, and I thought we'd gotten like fixed them all, replaced them. Most of them were just parts that like were maybe an old, excuse me, or maybe like an old piece, like an old what am I trying to say? An old mold. So like it's the same piece basically, but just the way they used to make it in the 80s or the 90s or even early 2000s. And now they just make a slightly different version. So we went through and replaced all of those, but it looks like we still have some remaining ones. So let's figure out what's going on here. Let's do a little bit of a quick little Excel thing. I promise this I usually am like building them here, or I've done a couple design stuff for stickers like on the different pieces for core memories. But we're gonna do a little bit of Excel today just to get figure out which ones we need to go fix, and then we'll go through this set, identify those pieces, and replace them. So let's look up this element ID here and return this here. Okay, yeah. So that's essentially just telling me that that one was already one that had an issue. Some of these looks like are new. And then this one was one we knew was going to have an issue that we'd have to add manually. But yeah, like let's see, what's the issue with this one? 3004. This one right here, brick 1x2, light gray, and there's 8 of them. Now this is showing 1. Oh, okay, so I just missed one. So let's figure out. I don't even know where to find that. Let's see. Like trying to figure out where that piece is. If anyone knows a good way to like search by piece number, that'd be huge. It's this brick 1x2. And what was the color on it? I assume it's this light gray one. I guess we can select by type, right? Is there a way to search? Got a step list here, but can we? Oh, I wonder if it's. Let's see, where's that one? Anyone see it? Oh, here we go. Oh, well, that's fine, I think. Yeah, I think that's fine. Like, I'm wondering if there's just like some. There's got to be some color it just doesn't like that we have here. But maybe someone's got a good like way to tell what it doesn't like. We've got this gray. What color is that? Light bluish gray. I think that's the same thing. Oh, this one's just light gray. I think this is what it doesn't like. I think I think the light gray, well, it's called light gray in here, but I think the light gray is the old version of these pieces, and like bluish gray is the new one. So I think that should take care of this one. I think it was just hiding from us. So let's cross that one off. And let's try this one, the 30 whatever. Okay, this one we knew we're gonna have to get on Bricklink. They just don't sell it or anything close to it nowadays. So we gotta get that one on Bricklink Studio anyway. And then let's figure out what's the next one. This one, 30350. Oh, what don't they like? Is it the color? The clear one? Yeah, because we just have one of those. Or did I never swap out the model right? What's the element ID on this? The element ID is like more reliable for here because it'll tell me gonna remove all pieces because the other thing we need to do is we found out this only lets you do order sizes so big, and so this order size would be too big. So I'm gonna get rid of all those because we'll split it into 2 order sizes once we have it. Let's search here. This should give us it. Yeah, here we go. So I think this is the order number it knows it as. Yeah, so I think it just doesn't like the transparent color we've got. So I think we can just do a white shower curtain. That should work. So let's replace this thing with white. All right, we should be good on that one. Once we go through this, obviously we'll upload it again and just double check, but we should be good there. Whoops. Okay, let's try this one now. 3070. Which one is this? Okay, so it probably just doesn't like the color then. The question is, what color is that talking about here? So we have these, and there's light nougat and light, oh, it's that light gray again. Dang it. So let's find in our actual set where we have those light gray 1x1s and replace them. What color is all that? That's light bluish gray, so we should be good there. Light bluish gray, that's good. Anyone see where those light gray? It's dark bluish gray, so we should be good there. We got some just plain light gray ones hiding somewhere. Maybe in here. I know I'm moving around fast, so hopefully it's translating well to hopefully it translates well to Lego or to YouTube. I know sometimes it can get a little bit grainy if I'm moving around too fast. Where are these? There's a bunch somewhere. I guess not a ton, but 5 isn't nothing. I just realized this one. Yeah, let's replace that because we want the interior to be brown, like brown concrete. I know some of the rooms had carpet in real life, but I think this works. So what was this? Is this light bluish gray 1x4? Let's make that, yeah, light bluish gray. And then the interior, we just need a 1x2 brick. Let's brown. That's one nice part of having to go through and change all these out is it's like kind of gives me a second to like look at more detail in this stuff and fix just little things that are off. Okay, where could those be? Let me check. It is, yeah. Can I search by element ID? Does that work in here? No. The element ID it's like the design ID, but it has the color like encoded in it too. Like it's the color plus the type or whatever. So it just helps it be more specific. I'm like, maybe if I select by type, oh, by type and color, there we go. But then let's take just one of them. Oh. I gotta just select this one. But if I can just get the piece, there we go. And now we select by type and color. There we go. So they are hiding down here. Where are they? Is that? Oh, wait, no, that's light bluish gray. So that's what we want. What we don't want is the light gray, right? Where to go? We're looking at 3070. Yeah, so we got them down here, tile one by one, light gray. Yeah. So it's the light gray we don't want. So let's select that. Type in color, select that. Now, and now I can just change it now, but now I'm like, where are the rest of these? How did we change the color of that back already? Yeah, I'm so confused. Like, where are the rest of these hiding? Maybe someone can remind me. I really have no clue though where they are. That's so funny. Well, they gotta be somewhere in here. But if I go like this and switch it to light bluish gray, that should take care of it, right? Okay. And then I just saw, for some reason, this switched back. Maybe I accidentally did Control Z or something. I don't know why that's there, but we'll get rid of that. And then, unless like I'm literally just missing the wrong thing. Like if I copy this, this will let us check. Is this actually what, okay. I guess we get to search by the item ID and then we can see the piece ID or whatever it's called. So, oh, I guess they just don't have it, right? Yeah, like it just wouldn't be here. Okay, well, medium stone gray, sand yellow. Maybe that's it. Maybe it's these other gray ones. Oh, maybe that's it. Maybe when I first had them, it was actually the other one, but it's like I think they just don't have the light bluish gray in these either. Because yeah, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 5. So maybe they really just don't have these either. Well, what about the 2 by 2 tiles? So if I got rid of these and instead switch them out with these corner ones, honestly, that looks better. But then I gotta figure out where, there's one of them. Where's the other one? It's gotta be hidden in here somewhere. Um, so hard to tell if I'm like selecting everything or not. Okay. Oh, I do need this corner. Okay. Just gonna move those so I can turn it into a submodel. And then, yeah, I think that's everything. What, garage rack? Garage storage rack. Okay. Okay, there we go. And then now we can do that. And then this one, what do we want to do there? I mean, we could just turn this into a, yeah, let's go. Let's do the 1x3. Hopefully they actually have these colors. Otherwise, like these tiles and those colors, or else I'm just causing more issues. But hopefully we're good. Either way, it'll be easier to fix now that I can just move that out the way. So yeah, I think what had happened, I think the whole garage was initially light gray, and then I found out that was the dated color, so I changed it all to light blue gray. And then but I didn't realize that those 1x1s still aren't in light bluish gray either. So yeah, because it looks like they're just in medium stone gray. I guess we should probably check flat tile 1x3, because that was the new piece we added. I want to make sure they actually have. Maybe not. I was looking for like that light bluish gray again. What about the flat tile corner? This one have? Is medium stone gray? That is the light bluish gray, isn't it? I feel like it is. Okay, well, we'll just try it. We'll see what happens. Worst case, we figure something else out, but I think that should be good. Okay, so what's next? We have, let's say these ones are good. 3, 4, 5, 5, aka this one. Oh, wait. Wait, no, this is the same. Oh, it's that light nougat. I just realized on this one, I was trying to guess what color it was, and I could have just checked over here on this side. So it's actually the light nougat. It wasn't the light gray that was an issue. Dang it. So I think the light gray is, well, I think this one, the light bluish gray is good. It's just now the light nougat ones that it doesn't like. So let's find those. Which one's light nougat? This one? Okay, so it doesn't like these. So if I come back here, 1x1, flat tile. Let's see. Wait, it does have it though. That's why I'm so confused. And the element ID, like see how the element ID changes when I change the color? The element ID 64803. Or I guess I can't see that here. Where was it? Here. So why is that? Like the color says the same, but the element ID is different. Huh. So I don't understand that. I don't know what's going on there, but it should have this color. So we're just gonna leave that for now. I wonder if it was just like out of stock when I initially did it or something like that. I don't know if that's a thing. Let's close that out. I don't know. Let's keep moving. So we've got this one, 3, 4, 5, 5. Looks like that's a new one that we didn't have an issue with previously. No, it is. Why didn't it find it? So it's that arch, the 1x6 arch. Why doesn't it like that? Let's see. Thought we swapped that out. Yes, we got this arch 1x6. Yeah, this is the one we really want, the 92950. So this is one of those ones where it's just a new side where it's got the little lip in there. Oh, we're already done. Dang it. Okay, well, maybe last time I just didn't do a good job of actually replacing them all. That's the 1x4. I mean, this one's right. This one's right. Where else did I use it? How many did it say we have? There's 2 of them. Does it not like the color? Oh, it's just out of stock. Dang it. Okay. Okay, we'll come back to that in a sec, or tomorrow. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in.